Did you know that some of Florida's quirkiest legal loopholes can give your business a serious edge if you know how to use them? I'm not talking about shady shortcuts or cutting corners. I'm talking about legal strategies buried deep in Florida's laws, rules that favor the savvy, the informed, and the well-prepared. Big corporations and top-tier executives use these all the time, while smarter business owners often don't even know they exist. So today I'm going to reveal 5 powerful legal loopholes in Florida, completely legal, often overlooked, and surprisingly underused, that can actually protect your assets, grow your business, and keep you ahead of your competitors. I'm Santiago Cueto, a board-certified international business law expert and best-selling author. I've helped Fortune 100 companies and ambitious entrepreneurs protect their business, win lawsuits, and navigate the legal side of success. This channel is built for leaders who play to win. Let's get into it. Here's loophole number 1, the Florida charging order. If you're running an LLC in Florida, you're sitting on one of the most powerful businesses owners don't understand. Unlike corporations, Florida law limits creditors to a charging order. They can't take over your business or force a sale of your assets. Even if you lose a personal lawsuit, your LLC can remain untouched. That means your business keeps running, your control remains intact, and your assets stay safe, but only if your LLC is structured correctly. This is one reason why LLCs in Florida are so popular among real estate investors and entrepreneurs. Here's loophole number 2, Florida's homestead exemptions. Even for business owners, most states put a cap on how much of your home is protected from creditors. Florida doesn't. Under the Florida Constitution, your primary residence is virtually untouchable no matter how much it's worth. That's why some high net worth individuals may buy multi-million-dollar homes in Florida. It's not just real estate, it's a fortress. If you're a business owner facing potential lawsuits, bankruptcy, or creditor claims, Florida's unlimited homestead exemption is a legal shield you should seriously consider, whether you're relocating or restructuring. Here's loophole number 3, avoiding state income tax on business profits. Florida is already known as an income tax-free state for individuals, but here's the loophole. S corporations and LLCs taxed as pass-through entities can effectively avoid state income tax on business profits while still enjoying federal deductions and benefits. If your business is structured properly, you can legally earn more and pay less, especially compared to states like New York or California. For high-earning service providers and consultants, this can mean tens of thousands of dollars saved each year. This isn't just about taxes, it's about keeping your business lean and competitive. Here's loophole number 4, the non-compete workaround in independent contractor agreements. Florida courts tend to enforce non-compete clauses against employees, but what if you're hiring independent contractors instead? Here's the loophole. Florida law gives more flexibility in restricting contractors, especially if the agreement includes protecting trade secrets, customer lists, or confidential business practices. While courts scrutinize employee restrictions, they're often more lenient with contractor limitations if written correctly. So if you're growing through freelancers, agents, or third-party marketers, this legal nuance could protect your competitive edge without crossing any legal line. Here's loophole number 5, the arbitration clause advantage and jury waiver combo. Here's a trick that sophisticated businesses bake into all their contracts. Use mandatory arbitration clauses and jury trial waivers. Why? Because in Florida, arbitration tends to move much faster, costs less, and keeps your disputes out of public court records. You can also require the other party to arbitrate in your city under your terms and often before a business-friendly arbitrator. Even better, a jury waiver in a commercial contract can reduce the risk of runaway verdicts from unpredictable juries, a major threat in high-stakes disputes. Most businesses don't think twice when signing boilerplate contracts, but the smart ones, they write the rules in their favor from the start. These aren't loopholes in the shady sense, they're legal tools written into the law that reward strategic planning. And in today's economy, legal strategy is just as important as business strategy. Florida's laws favor the proactive. If you're not using them, someone else will use them against you. If you found this valuable, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below if you want me to cover another hidden business law hack in Florida. I'm Santiago Cueto. Thanks for watching, and remember, don't just play the game, learn the rules and win.